Hello wonderful folks! Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in health and wellness trends specifically tailored for seniors. Today, we're diving into the top health trends for seniors on YouTube. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Looking for ways to stay active and happy? You're in the right place. YouTube is a treasure trove of content designed to keep you moving and smiling. Whether you're looking for gentle exercises or more vigorous routines, there's something for everyone. We've got the scoop on YouTube trends for seniors. From fitness to nutrition, mental health to DIY projects, the variety is endless. Let's explore some of the most popular trends that are making waves in the senior community. First up, exercises you can do at home. These videos are perfect for those who prefer the comfort of their living room over a gym. Think low-impact aerobics, stretching, and muscle strengthening. These exercises are gentle on the joints but effective in keeping you fit and flexible. These videos are a hit because they keep you fit and lift your spirits. Plus, they often feature trainers who specialize in senior fitness, ensuring that the exercises are safe and suitable for your needs. Plus, they show you the right way to move. Proper form is crucial to avoid injuries, and these videos provide clear step-by-step instructions. Next, let's talk balanced nutrition. Eating well is just as important as staying active. YouTube is packed with tips on diets that boost bone health and strengthen your immune system. You'll find recipes, meal plans, and nutritional advice tailored specifically for seniors. From calcium-rich foods to vitamin-packed meals, there's something for everyone. These videos make it easy to incorporate healthy eating habits into your daily routine. And yes, there are great guides for managing weight and diabetes too. These videos offer practical tips and delicious recipes that make managing your health a breeze. For keeping your mind sharp, check out mental health activities. Mental well-being is just as important as physical health. Memory exercises, puzzle solving, meditation, and relaxation techniques are all trending. These activities help keep your brain active and reduce stress. These videos help keep your brain buzzing and reduce stress. They are a great way to unwind and keep your mind engaged. Love the outdoors? There's something for you too. Nature walks and speed walking videos are perfect. These videos not only encourage physical activity, but also allow you to enjoy the beauty of nature. They offer beautiful scenery and tips to make your walks more enjoyable. It's like taking a virtual vacation while getting your steps in. It's like having a walking buddy right on your screen. These videos provide motivation and companionship, making your walks more fun and engaging. Into DIY projects? Let's get creative. Seniors are loving videos on herbal remedies, natural cleaning products, and home spa therapies. These projects are not only fun but also promote a healthier, more natural lifestyle. They're fun, educational, and promote a natural lifestyle. Plus, they can be a great way to spend time with family or friends. Need a boost? We've got just the thing. Motivational speeches and aging stories are all over YouTube. These videos are filled with inspiring stories and positive messages that can uplift your spirits. These inspiring videos help you see aging in a positive light. They remind us that aging is a journey filled with opportunities and new experiences. Finally, staying connected is key. Social connections are vital for mental and emotional well-being. Learn about making virtual friends, joining online groups, and increasing social activities. These videos offer tips on how to stay socially active and connected with loved ones. There are even tutorials on tech use to help you stay in touch. From video calls to social media, these guides make technology accessible and easy to use. So, turn on YouTube and explore these trends today. There's a whole world of content waiting to be discovered. Your best life is just a click away. Happy exploring, and here's to a healthier, happier you.